Oh, God. Oh. It's deeper red than I remember. Absolutely.
Oh.
That's lovely.
It actually exists.
For the first time ever on our channel, we have a real life Ferrari.
This has been in here my entire life.
How many Ferraris in the world are in this condition with the bird poop probably from the 80s? When we pull the vehicle, we're pulling from both sides of the car in the middle. All right, here she goes. They're moving.
So while we pull the Ferrari out, I want to ask the question of the video, so leave your answers in the comments below. Ferraris seem to be a typical dream car for a lot of people, so leave a comment what your dream car is.
Oh my gosh. Dude, this is crazy.
We made it back safe and sound, got out of the trailer.
All right, RJ, I want you to grab in the wheel well and put most of your pressure there.
Oh, that's easy.
And just kind of walk it up. I'm impressed those still work.
Oh my God.
Look at that rat's nest.
Look at this thing. Oh, whoa. Holy. I bet you the nest is huge in
See
there.
the top of the carburetor?
That's scary. I hope they're not trashed. Oh, they're nice. What do you think? We can put power to it and try and start it?
I would suggest not. Actually, pretty clean down there.
I don't think you can find these at AutoZone though if you need replacements. They're probably special order, piece uniques. How much time and how much capital does it take to get this
How
car
long
looking
did you say
well?
this thing was roughly sitting for?
I think he said like in 1987, something like that.
Yeah, I would be taking this whole thing apart. I would be checking
Full rebuild?
everything. Full rebuild. I mean, you could be easily over 40, 50K just
Oh
from
my
mowing.
God.
And again, you want to grab on the wheel well.
It's crazy that the headlights don't move up with it. Look at that. Look at the little briefcase. It's got the prancing horse on it. That's sweet.
And these cars did have a 20-inch spare tire. They got another toolkit.
Oh.
These things are actually not the easiest things to source either. Value is definitely high on these. There you go. There's your lead hammer. Lead hammer to take off your knockoffs.
You're telling me that I have to swing this very hard and hit that there?
Beat on her.
Dude, this feels so wrong. Wow, that's pretty cool.
The coach work on this car, as well as many other Ferraris through years, were done by Pininfarina.
And now is the part I'm sure a lot of you have been waiting for. We're gonna pressure wash off the car, but first we're gonna put a pre-rinse on it, which is our Puro all-purpose cleaner. When we do this, it's gonna lift a lot of the dirt up off of the paint so we can safely remove it with the pressure washer.
Oh, God. Oh. It's deeper red than I remember. Absolutely. That's lovely.
It actually exists.